What's up, team? I did a side quest, and let's not look at my code or the prompting. Let's not look at that. Let's look at this random corner of the site. Okay? Look at this, bro. Leetcode synchronization. Okay, this isn't it. Okay. Not only is there like loot drops, we're gonna ignore that for now. We're gonna ignore the loot drops, the customization. That's just like a bonus. We see this here. Hmm. Okay, okay. I wonder what that does. I wonder. Give it a few seconds. It's loading. It's loading. Okay, okay. What's this? Rains leaked. Blah 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 blah. Sector 7. Initialize protocol. Okay, interesting. Quest intro. Got two. Oh, this person needs two, not just for their collective capacity to channel a massive data harvest across the network before the ice awoke. What is that? Container with most water problem. It contextualizes quests or gives you a quest line and then adds a problem. Just it like relates it to a problem, and then you have an IDE here. Obviously, nobody like who writes LeetCode problems in JS. So, okay, that's a little scuff. But anyways, we got a somewhat of an interesting IDE here. But I would go ahead and solve this problem, and then upon completion, I would get a quest reward. But it's just relating a quest line, and then not only is that little part of the site, um, it's just like really unrelated, but it's usable in this idle. So I didn't show this last time either, but there's this little idle part of the game on the website, and you use the artifacts you gain from keys there. You fuse them, you can fuse them. Uh, you can auction them off if you wanted to. And I'm going really fast right now because I have a lot of money. But anyways, I could totally prestige right now and then I would lose all my stuff. That's like a normal idle thing. And then this is all in addition to the now collection of modes there are. I believe everything works but Battle Royale and Wavelength right now. Um and Rap Battle. Those three are still being developed. Well, I haven't tested this yet. And then, so I don't think I showcased the clan system yet either. But like, this is how you get rich, okay? And there's only three islands right now. It's supposed to be like, you can tell from the name. It's supposed to be like Skyblock, right? Hopefully, hopefully. So I could just like keep doing this, and then I want to make it more feedback based because like it's super, like I have so much money, like I could just, and if I get this money just from like testing it over like a week, then like other people are gonna get so much. But anyways, if I collect that, I just got however much that is. So now I have 7 million in my clan bank, which is pretty good. Like, yeah, and you have these upgrades. There's a market, so I wanted people to like use the loot drops they get and put them online. I want to have a really good economy. There's a shop where you buy boxes, and these can also drop artifacts. I want to have these loot boxes like I want to have them obtainable just from normal playing. Like I'm not gonna paywall them. Obviously, that'd be weird. But anyways, and then there's a clan war system. I think like I haven't tested this yet for obvious reasons because I'm the only clan, so it's kind of hard to know. Um, but anyways, we have tournaments. And this is also, I mean, I can try it right now. Um, my epic tournaments. Yeah, we'll do a 1v1 description. Fun, fun testing. Fun. Join up. Join up. Join up. Entry fee 0. We're for the people. Then I'll do like the 6th. Do the 13th. I'll do the 10th. The 10th. The 13th. The 10th. Pay 100K. Create. Tournament created. Theoretically should update. Register. Free. And I don't know how the actual play mechanics will work. Um, it's obviously not started yet, so I can't really test that too well. But there is that. I should make another tournament, I guess, that is a little bit more in the close, like, and then I can just test it immediately. There is a watch tab, but the thing is it requires like it's real time, and or it uses like it basically sends like it opens up a really long connection with a server that doesn't terminate, so the server will just be continuously sending data to clients, and that just like won't be good because I'm broke, so I don't know how that will go. And then we got, the news. Mark your calendars. There's a lot here. I'm really proud of. I guess okay. There's duplicate. That's interesting. That is interesting. Okay, anyways, there's like a theme system. And I made it so there's preset themes, but also you can just go ahead and like change these and save to whatever you want. But like obviously like you to make it look good, it's a bit like I wanted to give people the opportunity to customize but also have preset ones that look good already. And then there's particle systems, so you play like monkey type, right? And like what if you wanted to like customize it even more just for fun? So these are some of the customizability that there is. Particles. So if I go to let's go to the sandbox here, and then we can see this for sure. Yeah, so I'm using a blocky one and a blocky cursor, and I'm using this particle and burned held. Maybe I should make it so that users can control how big the particles appear on screen. I feel like that'd be cool. But anyways, you have a heat map as well to see like where your high latency areas are, like where you're taking long to type between. Um, and then this is a lot. Like there's all these game modes. Quest Forge. Let's test if this works right now. I have no clue. Like I haven't tested this since I made it. Like which is so it's been like 4 days, and I've added a lot of content since then. So hopefully, I'll say like um a ride on a dragon while a storm approaches from the north. Girl rides on a dragon, the storm approaches from the north forge. So, and then this, of course, I showcased this briefly the other time, but let's take a look here. Let's take a look. And this again, this gives artifacts drops, but I feel like it's not a good drop rate at all. It's not a good drop rate, and I definitely need to like make it nicer. But let's give it a few seconds because it is querying Gemini right now. It's either that or it's pulling from a quest that's in the project that's stored. So here we go. Or wait, yeah, it is pulling. First, we'll drop a icy ring. Monster setting. Okay, I like it. Okay, gauge, and here we go. So this is what I briefly first showcased in a prior video. Oh, that's funny. Uh, staged. Let's forge. Let's forge. Type in. Offset. Okay, offset a bit down. And then I'll write add a feature beam editor to customize particle size. Because who was it going to be slider? Who doesn't want to do that? I feel like it'd be super fun. Um, the more options there are, the more people can do whatever they want, which is great. And then I didn't showcase these modes. These are just like there is a leaderboard for them, but the main thing actually I really like. Oh, good quest field, nice. Is the richest players, and I made it so it doesn't count admin, and a lot of players are admin right now, but basically it shows the richest players and this is because of the skyblock feeling that I wanted to like you know incorporate. I think I'll make it so it's on clans by default just to incentivize clan factory because otherwise people just aren't going to invest into their clan. But there is a friend list as well, and this friend list does work in Netrunner. um but I don't really have like I don't think I have any activity like on these other two for it. So yeah. I may have to fix that though. And then it shows like your distribution of problems you've done and gives you and yeah, it gives you a level. I really like the gamification. Then you have some like site-wide abilities, cosmetics and stuff that help you or that give you a little bit more incentive, but the main I really like the quest system there. And then of course you have like the ranked mechanics. You know what? Since I'm already doing this, like should I just test the should I just test the Battle Royale or not? I can't. I don't have another device. Oh wait, can I just go in a different tab? Play. All right, let's test it. So we got two tabs here, both on localhost. Let's do one. Battle Royale. This one should be the host now. Yep, he has a start battle. Can't do it yet. Battle Royale here, and then theoretically this will update in like 5 seconds as it pulls. Nice. Start. Okay, chat. Oh, there we go. So, okay, nice. Boss, boss. With incredible agility. See, I swear I've seen this prompt so many times. So, okay, oh, time zero there, time zero here. Play again. Okay, yeah, so that's good. Play again should take us both back to lobby. Nice. Okay, now if I wait 30 seconds, it should add a bot here. Nice. So I want to see what happens with the bot. Oh my god, these prompts are stupid. Okay, interesting. Actually, I want to rework these prompts. Uh, go through your prompts, JSON, and edit for consistent difficulty or words that aren't so super uncommon. And then, is it doing this because the bot is? Because it should have ended by now. I'm just gonna say that should have ended by now. So, delay not ending. Wait, actually, delay doesn't end bot in the lobby. Lobby. Bot in the lobby. I'm stuck on typing scan. Represent a larger issue. Okay. Let me go to. So let me try the exact same thing, but with uh, wavelength. I'm interested to see in how this plays out. Wavelength. Here we go. So I should go into a lobby similar to the Battle Royale. Um, hopefully it works here. Hopefully I'm not lagging because that would interesting. Wavelength stuck on mode. Okay, so we still got a few issues. And it's both related to the both these are both the lobby modes. So these are the modes where it's like I guess the most technical and the one where I have definitely no clue what I'm doing. And it was supposed to fix this being wrong. Unless it's right. I don't even know what's going on there. I won't ask. Okay. Um, so now I guess I'll just retest the damager because I know that I changed some stuff in this since last time. So it should nice. Country. Say. Wait, wait. Smell. Vegetable. Carrot. Carrot. Bunny. Okay. Yep. So dead. Dead. Okay. Increase response time there. Okay. I'll just pretend that doesn't exist now. So it that one does work, theoretically. Okay, yeah, so the online counter is also not working. Online counter not working. Should set to play page. Okay, what else? WPM 1v1. Now this is like the main component of the site, right? So okay, that takes you back. That is not right. It should not take you there. Is it really gonna make us do that until it ends? Oh man. Wait, is that really what damager is? It's two? That's not the damager link. What the hell, bro? The amateur is a separate game mode, so why is WP and 1v1 lead to that? I have it, or I did have it set at one point where if you queued a different ranked mode while you had one in, it would just ignore the other match, so it should. Why does it ranked 1v1s matches should be independent one another, so if the user needs a damager match or one ranked match, it shouldn't connect it to the damager match. It did this. It did this. Reconnecting should be independent per game mode. Game mode. Okay. And there's the missions that works as attended. See, okay, what else is there? Oh, I wonder. Okay, yeah, this is true. There is a watch. Okay, interesting. So if I go back into the damage duel now, building block, does it update? Is it just waiting because they aren't there? Match timeout. Damager match timeout. Oh, I need to add that. The reason why it doesn't end is because there is no timer for this game mode. Match timeout. After 1 minute, no match ends. After playing, there's triple damage applied for 30 seconds before the match ends. The player more health wins. Both have the same health. Then it's a tie. Tie, no rating change. Okay, that's fine. Let's get out of my canvas, bro. Holy traumatizing. Okay. Um, that's also watch mode should display user names in the battle, not uh, battle uh, imager specifically. Check more units. Okay, so the watch is interesting because it's kind of working. It kind of worked there, and I have no clue if it's still opening a connection, which is kind of crazy. Okay, and I'm really surprised it works so well. But that's it for this. Okay, 3 online. That's the same. I don't even know, bro. Okay, that's that. That's that. Thank you. That's the update. A lot. Really. Still a lot to fix. For when I like to make this is like I feel like the system that is like my most favorite thing in the website, and it's the one that is uh the most like I guess it's the coolest. Also, why does a mythical look the same as everything else? And I want to make it even better. So I'd love feedback to win, basically. Prestige quest, sick. This is a bundle quest. This is a shareable link. Theoretically, when I copy that and go into here, it will take me straight to their factory in a view-only mode. Visiting, sick. Or we're supposed to place it. Interesting. That's cool. Read only. I love that. All right. Ciao.